Hey, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. So this is a 64 streamlined travel home. One of our great customers purchased this. He's a USC alumni, and a group of his buddies have gotten together and they want to build this as their tailgate unit. So we're going to town on this thing. It's a ridiculous build. So we've put a brand new LS3 motor in it, out of a new style truck, rebuilt the whole suspension and transmission. We added a new rear end, replumb and rewire the whole unit. So, you know, that's the running gear part of it. Not, you know, not super sexy, but it'll be like a brand new unit going down the road. Very reliable. They can get to all the games they want. The cool part's on the inside. So you can see that we've gutted the whole inside of this, and it's all coming back together, and all the furniture is built. We'll show you that. These are all the cabinets that are built. It's a really cool aluminum front panel for the finish on the cabinets, and then this beautiful cool red countertop material. So we're building, you know, a small galley. Most of this is all going to be seating and relaxing with some TVs. And they've requested us to make a ladies' room and a men's room. So we're going to do the men's room with a urinal and then a nice separate room for the women so the boys don't get in there and tear it up. But anyways, this thing's coming together. We'll update you on it, and ready for the football season next year, 2023. We'll be happy to get this done. So if we can help you with any specialty projects, or you know, we're a collision repair center, and then we do all of this as well. So any RV collision repair needs, please come see us at OCRV in Yorba Linda, California.